the scope and opportunity to be able to develop and put my own personality.
It's a continuously growing business.
It's been exciting how far the company's actually grown.
It'll be good to put what I've learned here in the future.
I'm excited about seeing where ASAFE goes.
I started as a production operator and now I work in the office planning what they do.
I've seen rapid growth within the UK and international.
Because the team is expanding so quickly, there's a lot of potential for progression within the team.
Many of the subsidiaries being created across the world.
As we've seen a lot of development, a lot of progression, we've had new machinery come into the plant.
There's a huge amount of investment in the company. The technology side, I believe, that the company is going to grow massively.
ASAFE is always involved with the innovation of new products, new development.
It's something to get your teeth into.
We started off as just a barriers company. Now everything's moving towards the technology side.
So we're now working on technologies that are truly cutting edge.
Changes have been massive, the business has grown phenomenally.
Our aim is to always be the best, to always innovate, to always do something that nobody's seen before.